Toyota faces electrification challenge. Can they stay ahead? Toyota, the world's largest automaker by volume, is facing a significant hurdle in the burgeoning electric vehicle (EV) market, particularly in China, a critical battleground for future sales. BYD's aggressive challenge in China. Chinese EV giant BYD has thrown down the gauntlet, openly declaring their intention to dethrone Toyota in China. They're offering consumers a wider range of affordable EVs and plug-in hybrids, and this aggressive strategy seems to be paying off. BYD sales are surging, while Toyota's plummeted by a staggering 36% in February 2024. Toyota itself acknowledges the fierce competition in China, admitting a lack of strong EV offerings. Beyond China, Southeast Asia electrification hurts Toyota. The pain isn't confined to China. Toyota is experiencing double-digit sales declines in Southeast Asian countries like Thailand and Malaysia, where electrification is rapidly gaining traction. Consumers in these markets are opting for more competitively priced EVs and plug-in hybrids from a growing pool of around 20 Chinese brands. These offerings are bypassing Toyota's vehicles, which often rely on older nickel-metal hydride battery technology. Global sales decline masks regional struggles. While Toyota reports a global sales increase in Europe and the United States, the significant decline in China and Southeast Asia drags the overall figure down by 7%. This could be an early warning sign for Toyota. If they fail to adapt to the changing automotive landscape, it could be a worrying trend. Is this the beginning of the end for Toyota? While it's too early to predict Toyota's demise, a significant pivot point is approaching. Their heavy reliance on China and a lack of competitive EVs raise serious concerns about future sales performance. Chinese consumers making informed choices. The journalist suggests Chinese consumers are making smarter choices by opting for more affordable and advanced EVs from domestic brands. This highlights the growing demand for feature-rich EVs at competitive prices, a segment where Toyota is currently lacking. Toyota's brand crisis in Japan. Adding to their woes, Toyota is grappling with a brand crisis in their home market of Japan. Recent scandals involving emission test tampering and rigged crash tests have eroded consumer trust. These issues, coupled with production stoppages, have resulted in a concerning 33% plunge in domestic sales. The road ahead for Toyota urgently needs to address its EV strategy, particularly in China and Southeast Asia. This may involve significant investments in research and development to produce competitive EVs that resonate with cost-conscious consumers. Rebuilding trust in Japan through transparency and ethical business practices is also crucial. Further considerations. This article presents the information with a critical perspective on Toyota's challenges. To get a more complete picture, it would be beneficial to include a response from Toyota regarding their future plans for the EV market. The journalist also mentions production stoppages at Daihatsu. Researching the specific reasons behind these stoppages could add valuable context to the situation. This is a developing story, and continued research will provide a clearer picture of how Toyota plans to navigate the rapidly evolving automotive landscape.